The truth is simple. If you're not leveraging AI in your business right now, you're already behind. AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And the people who learn how to use it are going to scale faster, move smarter, and dominate markets. The ones who don't, they'll be replaced. You already know who it is. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates 10 to 5K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never see because I've automated and delegated every part of that process, and each one of those vehicles bring me in about 1,000 to 3,000 per car per month. And everybody should know the best part about it. Anybody can do the exact same thing if they follow the systems and the strategies that we actually provide. And today, I'm breaking down why AI tools like ChatGPT aren't optional anymore, will actually get you crushed by competition, and how you can use them right now to grow and scale your business. Everybody is saying the same thing, right? AI is cool, but it's just for tech people or big corporations. It doesn't apply to me. I'm telling you right now, you can keep thinking that, but you better open your eyes, right? Because here's the reality. AI is not a gimmick, it's a tool. Small businesses and individuals who use it are scaling at speeds that used to take years. The gap between those who actually use AI and those who don't is getting wider by the day. This isn't about robots replacing jobs. It's about people with AI replacing people without it. Wrap your brain around this, right? AI isn't here to take your place. It's here to give you leverage. AI cuts the time it takes to do tasks in half. AI gives you ideas, scripts, strategies, and plans instantly. And the best part, AI runs 24/7, never gets tired, and scales with you. If you are still doing everything by hand, you're fighting with one arm tied behind your back. And let me open your eyes. AI is the other arm. And if you don't use it, your competition will. And what's gonna happen to you? That competition is gonna blow you out of the water. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035, and I will personally reach back to you, and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. If you want to know how AI can help you grow and scale right now, you got to do this, right? Content creation. Tools like ChatGPT can write YouTube scripts, captions, ad copy, and emails in minutes. That means you can post more consistently with higher quality without wasting hours. Marketing automation, right? AI tools can schedule, optimize, and even adjust campaigns based on performance. That's how you stretch every marketing dollar further. Literally, customer support. Everybody's been using that, right? AI chatbots answer questions, book calls, and nurture leads while you sleep. It's like having a 24/7 employee that never calls in sick. Data analysis, right? AI spots trends in your sales, traffic, or conversations faster than you could ever do manually. That means better decisions and less time. Trainings and systems, right? AI can create training modules, SOPs, and workflows for your team instantly. No more spending weeks and weeks to build systems. It's literally done in hours. This is how small businesses scale like corporations, by using AI as leverage. But a lot of people mess this up, and I'm gonna tell you how, right? They think AI is going to do everything for them. You're wrong. You still need strategy. They try to avoid it altogether, thinking it'll blow over. It won't. It's here. They use AI only once in a while instead of integrating it into their daily systems. And a lot of people fear it instead of learning it, and fear never built anything. That's why some people get left behind while others actually explode with growth. You have to fathom that AI isn't optional, it's mandatory. Think about it like this. When the internet first hit, people who ignored it got left behind. When social media came, businesses that refused to adapt disappeared. AI is that next wave, and it's moving faster than both of those combined. The question is, will someone using AI replace me? When I scaled my business, I leaned on the systems. But today, AI has taken those systems to a whole nother level, right? I used it to draft scripts like the one you're hearing right now. I used it to draft up scripts in my descriptions, right? To plan campaigns and to streamline processes that would have taken my team days. That's how I can run multiple businesses, own over 40 vehicles, and still free up my time for family and growth. AI didn't take my place. It gave me leverage to move faster, and that's exactly what separates winners from losers in today's economy. So let me ask you, are you still doing everything the slow way? Are you wasting hours, falling behind, and ignoring tools that could save you time, make you money, and keep you ahead of your competition? Because the truth is this, the businesses who leverage AI are going to dominate. The ones who don't will literally literally disappear. It's that simple. If you knew AI could cut your time in half, double your output, and keep you ahead of your competition, why wouldn't you start using it today? Wouldn't it make more sense to plug into a proven system that shows you not only how to leverage AI, but how to pair it with credit, capital, and assets that create real cash flow? If it does, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone, and then we're gonna figure out together the best way to implement these tools into your business. Because at the end of the day, it's better to use AI as your advantage instead of ignoring it and getting defeated by it. I appreciate everybody who stayed until the end. Make sure you smash that like button and that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content, more gems, more tips, more tricks, more everything. Let's go.